Are you sick and tired of tripods that are not doing the job? You guys know where we have this mounted. We got this mounted on a basketball hoop right there, this pole. And I'm ready for a tripod that's actually gonna do what it claims to do. So you will need that little extension. So on here you have that like screw part. You're gonna want, I forget what they call that extension for like action cameras, where you can thread it down in. So this is basically the male, and then wow. So guys, this is the remote for the XbotGo. This is for your tripod and whole setup. Your gimbal. So as you can see here, you can control it all with this unit here. You got video and all these different settings for using it. It's nice. I like this. I like the buttons. It's nice and quiet. Now, guys, we're going to show you the tracking gimbal, smart AI tracking. Let's go ahead and unbox this, show you guys what you get. All right, so this is it on the gimbal. So as you can see, you got the smooth transition. Oh, okay, so it lost connection, but when it loses connection and beeps, you just press the power button. But as you can see, you can easily transition without that jitter. So great presentation. You got your manual, you got quick instructions, you got a carrying bag, tripod, and all that fun stuff. So this is it. Oh, I love the flip design. I love that. Makes great for storage. I recommend keeping this box. That way you can put everything back in. It also comes with a little tripod in here that mounts right on the bottom. And you can also use this with any other tripod that has that connector end. So let's take a look here. Press and hold to turn it on. All right, let's see. First, you want to have it off though. Turn it off and then place your device on it. You don't want to have it on and then put your device on. So like this. Now we're going to press and hold. Oh, this is nice. Now depends on how you have it setting. So you're going to hold it up like this. So, you know, you're not, and as you can see, it's maintaining as I twist it. You also have your modes. So it goes through your modes here. Yeah, this is nice. How about we test it out for you guys? Don't forget to always power it off. And also, just to show you guys better, because it was a little hard to see at that angle, you can see here that you can rotate it around. So you can see that it goes the whole way around. And then when you're there, you can adjust it. Again, move our hands as you can see here. So if we're moving, now there's different settings that you can pick. So if we have it here, By pressing this one button, it can rotate right back around for us. So if we press M, there we go, rotates right back around for us. And there's just so much more that you guys can do. So you got LF, FPV, so if you're trying to get those shots where you're zooming in and you don't want that jitter going on. A lot of settings to play with, and it's going to take you guys some time to get used to this. So now we changed it to upright. So if you press the power button, and then you can manually rotate it. So if we press the power, we can manually move the phone, and it will then change. So now it's up and down video footage. But yeah, there's just a lot to learn with this. Tap it to go back, and there we go. Oh my goodness. Look how high this goes. So this is gonna be amazing when we're filming sports and stuff. We can angle it facing down. So you can basically have this tripod, you know, a couple feet off the ground, all the way up to the sky. Literally. That is crazy. And you can see how thick this is. So it's about that thick. So this is going to work great for many applications of filming. As a content creator, if we're at a car show, we can have it up filming high, get an aerial view. Wow. This is something I do not have in my set, and now we finally do. Oh, the ideas are endless, because you know what we can do? Watch this. Watch this. You know what, let me show you guys a better angle at this, what I'm about to do. Because you can use this. The ideas are already popping in my brain. Alright. So, watch this. Because it's heavy duty but light enough weight, you can actually hold it. Can you tell I'm happy? This is awesome. So many uses for this. But like I said, we could even carry it over our shoulder like this and have the camera out the back, so to get like an angle, so we can have it far out and it could be showing us. So put a 360-degree camera on there, and you know, doing chores, walking around, you could have it facing like this. So you have a nice grip for stability. So if you're getting those professional shots, you can easily, you know, have it extended out. You could even manually do it. So if you're, you know, filming, so we come in for a closer shot, or get close to you, extend it out. The ideas are gonna be endless.